A for apple, B for boat, C for chair, D for dinosaur, E for eagle, F for frog, G for goat, H for hammer, I for igloo, J for jellyfish, K for kangaroo, L for lamp, M for monkey, N for nurse, O for ostrich, P for panda, Q for quill, R for radio, S for shoe, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for vase, W for window, X for x-ray, Y for yoga, Z for zip.